Hey friends, today I'm super excited to be showing you three products that are definitely influencer must-haves from Synchwire. Today I'm also super excited because Synchwire is having a special Women's Day event to celebrate women and to show their respect and appreciation for all women out there. For this event, they're not only celebrating women's achievements, but they're also paying extra special attention to our specific needs and preferences with deals and steals you don't want to miss. So, what are these influencer must have products? Let's jump right in. Up first, we have their 4-inch rotatable selfie ring light for phone. This Synchwire cell phone light is absolutely amazing at brightening and even actually making your skin tone look smoother by reducing the shadows in your selfies, reels, and TikToks. Also, in your video calls and lives, you'll just be so well lit. In low light conditions, the fill light makes your skin tone look more even and bright, and it also has a smoothing effect on your skin, making it look more clear. This ring light is amazing because it has adjustable brightness and temperature modes to meet the different needs of your different scenarios. In bright daytime light, you want to adjust the brightness and also the color temperature of the fill light, and it can help you look more natural, and it can help your photos and your reels and your content look clearer. At night or in low light conditions, increasing the brightness and temperature of the fill light can make your videos and photos and reels and TikToks look even better. Whether you're shooting selfies or reels or shorts or live broadcasts, using this ring light from Synchwire can make you look more vivid and even truthfully more beautiful at the same time. If you're shooting products such as makeup products or beauty products, food, hair products, etc., this light can enhance your shooting effects and make all the details more clearer and more vibrant. So your followers can really see exactly what you're trying to show them. With its portable and versatile LED light with adjustable angles, it also has a rechargeable battery, it has universal capability, it's travel friendly design, and this is definitely my number one influencer must have. I love how small and portable it is. So it is small enough to put it in your pocket or your purse, perfect for taking it with you anywhere for those selfies and those reels that you can create just about anywhere. It does have a 40 LED illumination as well. This offers consistent flattering light across 5 brightness levels and adjustable color and temperatures, suiting any environment that you want to shoot in. You can adjust the color balance and you can use it to perfectly light yourself depending on the type of mood that you'd like to create or even the look that you're going for. You can definitely adjust that by changing the brightness and how much light you might need. For example, on a very sunny day, you might want to only use a little bit of lighting, whereas in a dark space, you really want to turn it up and really illuminate your complexion and your subjects. And it will also, of course, make your skin look even smoother when you use the brightest setting. With this adjustable color balance, you can go from soft to warm to neutral to cold light, and you'll get those professional photography and videography results. This ring light also has flexible angles. It has a 100-degree rotatable shaft, so you can explore a wide range of creative angles effortlessly. It has portable power. It features a USB rechargeable battery for on-the-go charging and use, and it does come with the charging cable. And I love how it's equipped with silicone padded clip on the back, so it attaches securely to your device, making it easy to use on any phone or tablet. It is compatible with not only iPhone but Android, and it's also compatible and easy to use with iPad and Android tablets, MacBook, Chromebook, or iMac as well. This is also great for your makeup kit as well. You can use it when you apply your makeup to really see yourself and see what you're doing. You can also use it when you're taking photos of yourself or your subject, and you or your subject will come out looking absolutely amazing. Next up, we have the Synchwire One Touch 55-inch selfie stick tripod, all-in-one extendable aluminum tripod. This multifunctional selfie stick and tripod in one comes with a rechargeable mode. It's compact, lightweight design. It has device protection and it has an extendable reach for wide angle photography. Using a tripod in photography and video shooting is an absolute must. The Synchwire plays a crucial role in providing stability, and it helps to ensure that your shooting pictures and your videos and reels are clear and stable. so your photos and videos will be less likely to be out of focus and blurry when you use a tripod. By using the Synchwire tripod, the photos and the videos will come out crisp and clear, showing off all of your hard work. This Synchwire tripod is also so special because it does adjust to meeting different shooting needs with its adjustable head here. You can rotate the angle of your camera and your phone to the perfect angle that's perfect for you. It's lightweight and easy to carry with you. You can retract it so you can easily put it in your purse and you're able to have it with you and carry it with you in a variety of different scenarios. The lightweight and simple structure of this tripod from Synchwire makes it easy to take with you anywhere you go, traveling outdoors or indoors or around your home. So no matter wherever you go, it's definitely very easy to carry. This tripod also offers stability due to its high quality materials. It provides solid support to ensure that your photos and videos remain stable and crisp and clear during the shooting process, which is super important and an influencer must have. I absolutely love the angle adjustment on here because the Synchwire tripod is equipped with a flexible ball head or a swivel joint that you can use to get a 360-degree rotation, and you can always get the perfect shot of yourself or your subject. You can also use this as a selfie stick as well, and you can use the Bluetooth remote to do the remote shooting so you can be far away and take all kinds of pictures and videos for your content creation. All in all, I love that the Synchwire has versatile use. It seamlessly combines a selfie stick and a tripod, offering flexibility for various photo and video scenarios. It has this rechargeable remote Bluetooth 5.0 that has a long-lasting battery, so you can take over 20,000 captures per charge. It's compatible with smartphones, and of course, it is lightweight, making it perfect for travel and on-the-go photography and content creation with its retractable stand. You can go from having a short tabletop tripod to a long and tall tripod in seconds. It has these safe and secure anti-slip silicone pads for added device protection against slips or scratches. Finally, we have the glitter cell phone ring clip holder stand. This is a durable and versatile smartphone holder that has a super strong adhesion. It has flexible rotation. I love how using this ring makes my phone more comfortable to hold, especially if you're taking mirror selfies or shooting TikToks, and it definitely helps to prevent the phone from slipping out of your hand. I love how Synchwire has a wide variety of styles and designs to choose from, so you can free up your hands and use this cell phone ring as a phone stand as well. So not only is this great to use as a phone stand, but it also makes it convenient for watching videos and making video calls. But nothing can beat its safety grip to effectively reduce the cell phone from slipping out of your hand. So you just put it onto the back of your phone and it holds on well. So you definitely will help you to prevent your phone from being damaged and falling out of your hand. The cell phone grip has super strong adhesiveness. It features an ultra strong adhesive pad for tight attachment to your smartphone, even withstanding Synchwire gravity tests. And it is made of this super strong zinc alloy and metal plate with an ultra thin design. It's multifunctional for hands-free use, perfect for office, your desk, your vanity, your car, or kitchen table. So you can shoot various activities like filming your fashion and makeup TikToks, making video calls, filming cooking shorts or reels, or doing product demonstrations, going live. If you're filming a hair tutorial or more, you can use this as a stand for your smartphone. There you have it. 3 influencer must-haves from the #1 content creation accessories company, Synchwire. Synchwire has all you need to create amazing content and watch your influencer career take off and be as successful as you dream. Don't forget to stop by the Synchwire website for their Women's Day event where they have so many amazing deals going on all month long in celebration of women. Synchwire also has been good enough to give me an exclusive code just for you all today, and it's women25%. With this exclusive code, you will save and receive 25% off your Synchwire order. Let me know what you pick up from this event from Synchwire. I will have everything I showed today linked down below, so you can easily shop the Synchwire site for all your content creation needs. Thanks so much for spending time with me today, and I'll see you very soon.